What's up guys, welcome back to the Meta Vlog. So today we're going to be doing some pretty big stuff today. Today we're going to be installing my upper control arms, my toe arms, and my wheels. So I got to go ahead and start the car, get it ready. Wyatt's on his way over to help bring the wheels to his house. Wyatt is letting me use his shop and helping me put on all the parts of the Supra. So shout out to you, Wyatt. You'll meet Wyatt in a second, but I'm going to go ahead, go downstairs, start the Supra, get it ready, and once Wyatt gets here with his truck, we're going to pack his truck and we're going to follow each other to his house. There she is. There she is. Alright, let's go start her up. Oh, a little awkward to get in. Oh. Ooh. Can't really see. Oh yeah. Good old 2J.
2JZ engine, no shit.
We just got to Wyatt's. Here's Wyatt.
Say hi, Wyatt.
I'll drop his Instagram somewhere over here. But we just got here. I totally forgot to vlog like everything. We packed the truck up and now we're gonna unload, put the Supra on the lift and get it going. Wyatt's putting some spacer on the lift so it doesn't hit the fenders. Making sure everything's all dialed. And we'll get her up and start doing all this crap. Alright, so the upper control arm's on. We test fitted the wheels and they fit nearly perfect. We just need to drop the strut like a little more. So just gotta shorten it a little bit. And yeah.
Never put your box cutters open. Back in the bag.
Broken, bro.
Oh my god, that thing's tight.
I totally haven't vlogged anything, but we put everything in. Shout out to Buck Performance. These are the arms that I got. And if you actually go to their website, use their code MUDA, you can actually get 10% off of what you buy from there. But we've just been adjusting everything, all the struts, to make sure that when we air out, it's not gonna fuck my fenders up since I'm new fender lip all around. So Wyatt and Saban have been helping me while I'm trying to learn and everything. So
Hey, trial and error. It takes a while to get this shit dialed for sure.
What are you saying?
It's honest work. It ain't much, but it's honest work.
We basically got the rear fitment dialed. It looks pretty solid. It's like right there. So we're basically there. I think I just need to do like a little bit more. Yeah, the fronts need a little more, but the rears are pretty solid considering it's -8, I think. Yeah. I need more cambered. I need more.
More camber. Give me all the camber.
We're gonna finish this tomorrow, just because we're tired and it's already been a long day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, welcome back. It's the next day. So we're just gonna dial in all the fitment, make sure that when I air out, it's not going to fuck up my fenders. So it'll air out right on the lip. And then Thomas is here. Another Thomas. We got most of the struts adjusted. We actually had to put a 15 mil spacer on the front in order to get like a good fender lip fitment, same as the rear. Wyatt's currently taking out the locking bolt because we need to match the camber on both front and back. So it's roughly like -8 maybe, -10 maybe, roughly around there. We're just doing that so it's even camber all around. Matching camber looks way better than uneven camber. I'm gonna go adjust the strut really quick. We got basically everything almost fitted. I don't want to show you guys what it looks like yet just because it's like, it looks almost perfect. We just have to adjust the ride height just a little bit, but it sits pretty freaking solid for how much we've like done. And it's surprisingly they fit even all the way around. They'll get the ride height done right now. I don't know. Is that how you should transfer it?
Commit. Just commit
to whatever you're saying and commit. Ride height. All right, so we got to the ride height, but we have to adjust the alignment. So Wyatt's over here. We're doing a little eyeball alignment.
Yes, sir. Just trying to get it kind of drivable at least.
Yeah, so it's not scary, and I'm not like, you ever seen those cars that like look like they're driving sideways but going straight? We're not trying to do that with this car. So we'll see you when the car is kind of aligned. Alright, so we're just tightening everything back up. Shout out again to Buck Performance. Good old Buck Performance. Helped with the Supra build, as you can see. Buck Performance are on the upper control arm. Running D2 air suspension as well as Serial 9 toe arms. And did a quick alignment. Trying to get everything all tightened up. Drop the strut, maybe like one more turn just to get the fitment perfectly dialed, and then Wyatt's finishing up on the tightening everything on the fronts. I am running Buck Performance uppers all around. Currently probably like -8, -10. Like I said before, we did have to take out one of the locking nuts in order to push more. And yeah, everything's pretty solid. For the upper control arms for Buck Performance, if you guys go on the website, they actually have a ton of different cars that you can get for it. And the quality, the parts are super good, really good quality. And yeah, but we're gonna go ahead, put the wheels back on, and while Wyatt's tightening up the last part. So we'll get it on the ground and show you what it looks like aired out. All right, so we finally got the car out here. We're gonna go ahead and air it out.
That's it, Chief.
Jeez. Oh, this is Chris.
Hello, boy.
Hey, what's up? What's up to the Mudda vlog? I can't fucking see straight. Well, I'm gonna go take some photos, so I'll show you them right about now. All right, so luckily the car was done. Huge thanks to Wyatt, to Thomas for barely doing anything, for saving, and for Chris for morally supporting. But this is how I'm ending the vlog, so peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next Mudda vlog.